Hospital 101. Spin with me, Daddy.
Okay.
Why?
Oh,
Why do I get dizzy when I spin?
that's a good question. Maybe it's because we can't focus on anything we see. Maybe it changes the pressure in your head, the blood supply to your brain.
Let's go find out.
Oh, good idea. Let's go. Did you know that our ears help us keep our balance? They do. So why do we get dizzy? The short answer is that the continued movement of fluid deep inside your ear tricks your brain into thinking that you're still spinning. Let's look at an ear. The parts on the outside are what you probably picture when you think of an ear. And they help conduct sound in toward your eardrum. Behind the eardrum are 3 little tiny bones that help us transfer sound to our brain. That's in a place called the middle ear. But behind them are some weird shaped things. There's a curly shell shaped thing and a loopy shaped thing called the vestibule, and it's that vestibule that helps us keep our balance. The vestibule looks like 3 curved tubes all tilted in different directions, and they're filled with fluid and lined with tiny little sensory hairs. So when you move your head, the fluid in those tubes moves too, and that moves the little tiny hairs. The hairs then send a signal alerting your brain that you've moved. So when you start to spin around, your ear tubes are moving with you, but the fluid inside them isn't yet, and the tiny sensory hairs get pulled backward. Your brain knows that this means that you've started moving. After a while, when your ear fluid catches up to your body, the sensory hairs start to straighten out, and maybe you start getting used to spinning around. Then you stop. Your ear fluid keeps going, and it pushes the sensory hairs the other way, sending your brain the message that you're still spinning around, only in the other direction. You feel dizzy. You may lie down and feel like you're still spinning, but that'll pass once the fluid deep inside your ears stops moving.
I know it's the fluid that's spinning, but it feels like the robo did. Why do stars twinkle?
There's a lighthouse wiggling back and forth, and someone's turning their light switch on and off. What's the problem?
Why is poop brown?
Maybe because all our food isn't all brown, is it? It just gets all... Well,